she would have never spotted. Oh, it goes fast.
It's over there.
Don't walk on.
So
You got came back.
yeah, this area is considered a marine protected area. So it just means that
Comes a wave. Hey guys, welcome back. On today's adventure, I'm gonna need you to grab your shovel
Grab your bucket,
and let's go.
build some sandcastles. Are you excited for the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to the beach.
Yeah.
Woo! First time. Headed to the beach. Girls' first time. We're so excited. Laguna Beach is our spot. It's the first beach my husband and I went to together. My little ballerina girl. Daddy.
Alright, these are sand fleas or anthropods, I think is the family that they're in.
Crab?
I did get some crabs. Okay. Where's their shovel? Okay, watch when you steer up the sand. So when the waves hit the shoreline, watch. Look in there. They're swimming around, watch. You see them swimming right there? There's one right there. They're swimming. They're digging. There's you get a dig. Wow, watch. Let's get some of that sand out. Look it right there.
Oh, there they are.
He's trying to dig himself in me.
hold it.
Okay. See, you gotta dig yourself. You wanna hold one too?
Yeah. I don't want to hold one. Look, Dad. He stopped.
He stopped. Look at.
Okay.
There you go, right here.
Look.
Look at them all right there. Come this way.
We're gonna go explore by the ocean.
Should we hang out there? Keep it going.
Let's go. Wow.
I don't know if we can take these.
Not those ones probably not.
We'll see. We'll have to read the sign.
Yeah, gotta follow rules. But we do want to take home some shells to Grandma Lois.
Come on, look at this one.
Finding some. You want me to put in my pocket?
No, I want to put them in the
Well,
bucket.
you gotta make sure you don't wash them away, okay? Let's go. Gonna explore. Come on.
Sometimes if you get close to this kelp, there's stuff under it living. I know in the water out there, a lot of fish like to hide under it.
Our wild child.
Oh,
Come here, honey bun. Now water will take you fast. Look, it's coming, it's coming!
come this
Come
way.
here, because it'll take you.
See crabs?
I'm here. Okay.
Another shell, you want it?
Yeah.
Does that one have a crab in it though? No?
Let's go explore.
Okay, you can have it.
Look at this one right here.
We'll put it in your bucket. Okay, come on. Go explore some more. That's a rock. This one's a cool shell.
Oh, put it in here.
It's okay.
Put it
You want me to put it in there?
Yeah.
Good, how about you?
pretty good.
What's the rule? What's the rule?
We're not allowed to touch it or take any of the shells.
Okay, you hear that?
Okay, we gotta dump the shells out.
That's their home, okay?
That's their home. They're safe here. Okay.
We're allowed to watch them, and if you guys want to move them around for like pictures, that's completely fine.
Okay.
We just want to make sure that they all make it back to.
Yep. You hear that? That's their home.
They have to stay here, okay?
Thank you.
Well, I don't want to stay.
And then
Okay, we can't.
have the telescope set up over there.
Okay.
You guys want to get a
Oh, we'll go do that when we get on video.
Yeah.
We'll see how it's good.
Or you want to go in the little tide pool? Look, let's see what's in there. Nothing?
Okay, he said, so we could look at the animals, we just can't disturb them, which is understandable, because they live here.
Ready? Hang on, I gotta be careful I don't fall myself. Your mom's a little. We found a little crab. Ooh, we're getting somewhere. Oh, he's there? Oh yeah, he's still there.
Look at the little
He's
crab.
right there. Look at him. Oh, look at him, look at him.
Comes a wave.
Oh!
My lobster. Those ones are-
Don't walk on it.
Wow.
What are you finding?
I know how to climb it.
Okay.
Oh, over here.
Good job. No, it'll take you back, honey. No, I don't.
That's crazy. Look at
Here goes Rob.
That's crazy. I wonder what kind of fish those are. This water is like warm.
Yeah.
Really warm.
Crab! I see crab!
Oh, you see that one?
Dad, there's a crab! Dad, I see a crab!
See crab?
Digging.
Come
Look at
on!
there's little fishies in there.
Oh, yeah.
We gotta let them be.
Lucy! I'm slipping.
I got you.
It's alright. We saw some crabs at a tide pool. The dude gave us some good information. We're just gonna snack and eat and chill and hang out with the family. Watch these people boogie board. I might go out and swim. We'll see how I feel.
The yummy. Are you having fun at the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you having fun, Gracie Lou?
Just eating some food, hanging out. I'm probably gotta go check the tide pools again, see. Check the car. The car's good. A little bit of a car issue. Went in the check engine light. The check engine light turned on, went into limp mode, and we barely made it. So I hope I can make it back home. There was a tiny little hermit crab right here.
That's a snail.
Alright guys, let's take a break real quick. Well, pretty much in this clip, we couldn't get it on video because she didn't know what was going on. The wife was recording, she was checking out some crabs and stuff on there. One of the Laguna police officers came down and then asked us if our pop-up tent was ours. And I said yes, that was ours. And pretty much what he did was explain that we had to be on the other side of the marine protected wildlife area. And I guess it's like further down where all the playgrounds are, stuff like that. So no umbrellas over a certain size and no pop-up tents can be anywhere near this marine protected wildlife area. Just if you decide to go down there or check it out, be cautious and do your due diligence and research. You can see the pop-up tent right there in the background. Very small, but I guess the report was that it was obstructing the lifeguard's view, which whatever view that was, who knows. But long story short is he just gave us a warning, told us to take it down and whatnot. So yep, that's this clip right here. That's it. It's over. Short-lived. Ranger came and got us.
We got in trouble for having our big blue pop-up tent.
We'll give you guys the scoop. The Ranger came and got us. Till next time. Alright, I realized I didn't make an outro video for my last video at the beach. So I'm at the lake right now, and if you want to watch that video, stay tuned for the next video. I catch a fish in that video. Well, I catch bass and I go swimming and check out some coves and stuff like that. So stay tuned. There's no context in the beach video really. It was a lot of drama and per se life. Life hit us hard all at once in one day. We drove down there. I had a court case I had to deal with, and I'm still going to be dealing with that in the next few months. Just pray for me. Keep me in your prayers that I could be let go and free. Because if not, I don't know what's going to happen. But with that being said, we drove down to the beach because we wanted to make a best day of it. And the car went to crap. Not the 4Runner. My Chevy Cruze went to crap. Check engine light came on, went into limp mode, wouldn't go past 40 miles an hour in a 70 zone. We were freaking out, pulled off, turned it off. Check engine light was still on, but it drove fine. Drove to the beach, we still had a good day. Took the kids to the beach for the first time and still did our thing out there. Then it started leaking. We don't know why. Took it to auto shop, got a reading on it, says something with the transmission, the whole 9 yards. And then we had to drive all the way to my grandmother's house, stay the night there, and then travel back to Nevada. It was a real long 2 days for us, a real long time for us. Oh, also, we got stopped by the police out there on the beach for having a tent on a certain side by the marine life. You're not allowed to touch the crabs and seashells and stuff in the tide pool, which is understandable. But you're not allowed to have a pop-up tent near there. You have to have it near the playground at Laguna Beach. So I don't know. It all happened in 1 day, 2 days for us. It was a long 2 days that day, and we just had to get through it. So sorry there was no ending, no outro to it. Hope it was something good for you guys to watch, sharing our lives, sharing the families and everything. And yeah, stay tuned for this video of me at Lake Mead trying to catch some fish early morning. Yep, peace. Stay guided by the reel.